Okay, sometimes you have to be a little rude to people to make them understand that you don't tolerate nonsense. Every time it's okay, it doesn't work. Because if from the starting only you will not set boundaries, from the starting only you will not let them know that what they can slide towards you and what they cannot, they will be like, ungli pakdaoge, सीधा के गर्दन पकड़ेंगे. They are that type of people. Some people. So that's why from the starting only you should start setting boundaries. From the starting only you should make them know that what they can slide towards you and what they cannot. Because then at the end, if you start complaining that you cannot talk to me like that, or at the end if you start wondering that why they are treating me like that, why they are showing this much disrespect, why they are making fun of me in front of everyone and all that stuff, which is disrespectful towards you, if you will start saying all these things, at the end they will be like, why were you comfortable in the start then? Why were you behaving as if it's nothing in the start then? Because it's really your fault. At starting you are comfortable and then slowly you realize. That's why from starting only you should start setting boundaries. From starting only you should let them know that what they can slide towards you and what they cannot. You don't tolerate every nonsense and bullshit that they're sliding towards you. You should let them know this thing. If you don't set boundaries from the starting, you have to let people know how they have to treat you. Because every person has their own standards depending upon you how higher your standards are. It doesn't mean that everyone will be able to match your standards and they won't get a dream of your standards. सपना नहीं गिरेगा उनको. You have to let them know. You have to let them know, okay, my standard is this much and you have to do such thing to be in my life, or else you have to not do all these things so that I don't kick you out of my life. These are the things you have to let them know. Sometimes you have to be a little rude. I'm not saying that be very rude only, but sometimes you have to be a little rude to make them understand that you don't tolerate nonsense and every bullshit that they are giving you. Because if you will not say them from starting only, they will be like, there are those type of people who are like, ungli pakda hai to सीधा के गर्दन पकड़ेंगे. They are that type of people. There are some that type of people. That's why I'm saying that from the starting only you should start setting boundaries. So that at the end when you start complaining, they won't feel like that. Ki, Arey, you were comfortable before, now what happened? They won't be like that. From starting only you should let them know that what they can slide towards you and what they cannot. And you know what, you don't have to get comfortable with everyone. Like if I talk about myself, I have 5 to 6 friends, but I don't talk to them that much how much friends talk. Or I'm not comfortable with them how much all the friends should be, like how much generally friends are. I'm not comfortable with them that much because I know if I have to tolerate disrespect, which is not my thing. Like in friendship also, I don't tolerate abusive words or disrespect and all. Doesn't matter, it's friendship, relationship, whatever it is, disrespect is still a disrespect. So I don't get comfortable with each and every one of them. Like I have 2 to 3 friends which are very good, but I'm still not comfortable with them, or I'm not like I will share everything, I'll be very nice to them. I'm not like that. मैं बस नाम का बात करती हूँ because I consider them friend, but not that good friends. Like more than a classmate, but less than friends. That's the thing. I don't consider anyone friend. Why? Not because I have ego, not because I am heartless, not because I don't value them, not like that. It's because it's just my own peace. I'm just protecting my own peace. Because I know that if I will get very comfortable with them, or I will be very, very involved with them, so I have to tolerate all these disrespects, abusive words and all that stuff, which is not my thing. So it's upon you how you protect your peace. It's upon you. You have the choice to choose people. Like I just have only one person with whom I talk a lot. First of all, I don't get comfortable or I don't talk to anyone that much कि they start thinking कि they can disrespect me or make fun of me. First of all, I only keep my standards high. I only don't get comfortable with everyone. So that's the thing. You just need 1 or 2 people in your life with whom you can be very comfortable or with whom you can talk a lot. You just need 1 or 2 people like that. Not everyone. Not everyone should have that level of access towards you. The starting thing that was, sometimes you have to be rude, and there's nothing bad in that. Sometimes you have to be rude to people to make them understand that you don't tolerate every nuisance or every bullshit that they will transfer to you. You have some standards, and this thing you have to start doing from the starting only. From start only, when you make a relation with someone, relationship, friendship, whatever it is, you make with someone, you make sure that you are not sacrificing your standards and your ethics, morals, whatever you have for yourself. You are not sacrificing that. And you are not getting too much comfortable. Keep that thing in your mind and make sure that that person understands what are your standards and what are the terms and conditions which they need to follow to be in your life. Otherwise, you just kick them. That's the thing. You have to make them understand this thing. They won't get a dream. You have to make them understand. And do this from the start only, because at the end, if you will be like, why this person is treating me like this and all that, because you gave them access in the starting. Do this thing. And secondly, don't get comfortable with everyone. Don't start talking too much with everyone. Have some standards and don't just get comfortable with everyone. Just have one or two people. Like me, I just have one. So don't be comfortable with each and everyone, because then they will only take you for granted. Be silent, raise your standards. And with whom you are talking, with the people you are talking, make sure that sometimes you be rude to them, so that they understand that you don't tolerate nuisance or bullshit that they will transfer towards you.